I'm Jay Malbrough reporting in Lafayette Parish, and as you can see behind me, this is the aftermath of heavy rainfall. Ambassador Caffery is flooded. Now, I spoke with the owner of this black van behind me, and he says he's been stalled here since about 8 a.m. I'm near the Cardiovascular Institute of the South, where one nurse tells me she had to walk to work. Heavy rains Wednesday morning affected many neighbors driving down Ambassador Caffery. High waters covered sidewalks and roadways, making it difficult for commuters to get where they're going. Stephanie Sanders tells me she was in her car 3 hours before she decided to park at a nearby apartment complex and walk to work.
So far, it's only been about 5 or 10 minutes. I cut through, but I got to get to the hospital on the other side of the construction. So I'll probably walk through the hospital, yeah.
I spoke to other neighbors who say they had to pull over because waters were too high. The flooding caused parts of Ambassador Caffery to be closed. Reporting in Lafayette Parish, Jay Malbrough, KTC TV3.